So, did you know over 15 million days alone were lost last year for work-related stress, anxiety and depression? So, do you run your own business? Do you have staff that work for you, whether that's a small business, a large business? Do you notice how is the productivity in your business? What is work-related staff absenteeism like? You come to work with me on one of my workshops or my training days, or I come into your organisations to help train you, your staff, your management, because we really smash through supporting your staff in terms of their resilience, their stress levels. We come in and we provide practical tools, techniques to really support staff resilience. And guess what happens? Burnout reduces, absenteeism goes down, productivity goes right up. It skyrockets. If staff are stressed and they're not feeling supported and morale is low, it's just going to impact directly on your turnover. And that's what we work directly with. I come into your teams and I work with you and I provide real scientifically proven successful strategies, techniques that staff and managers can use from day one. The results that I see are just amazing. I've had some fantastic testimonials recently with some workshops that I've been running, staff saying that they've never had such amazing training. There was no negatives to say whatsoever, and they were practicing these techniques. The CEO contacted me of one company that I work with, and they were practicing these techniques within the office, within the days and weeks to follow, and it was all being talked about what we learned and during the days that I was there. So that's what I can work with. Please do get in touch. I can come in and speak to you about how we can offer bespoke packages for you, your managers and your organisations, whether that's workshops, one-to-one coaching or training, working directly with your staff to improve resilience, reduce stress, burnout, and just achieve wonderful successes. I love this work, and I'd look forward to hearing from you, where we can discuss how we can work further together. Have a great day. Take care.